Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to flush your power steering fluid. First thing you want to do is locate your power steering pump and reservoir. Most vehicles these days have a remote mount reservoir like this. It could be on top of the pump, it could be mounted to the fender well, or somewhere on the engine near the power steering pump. So we're going to use a bump starter. One side of this is connected to the starter trigger wire, which you can access underneath the vehicle. The other side, this clip, will clip to the battery. Now we have power, and we can crank the engine without it starting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this line, connect that line to a tank, which will catch the old fluid, and we will feed fresh fluid into the reservoir, and we're gonna crank the engine over a few times. We're gonna crank the engine for about 10 seconds and let it sit for about 15 seconds between cranks. And we're gonna do this until we've gone through about 2 quarts to get a good flush. Now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this hose. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop our cap off. Then we're gonna reconnect the original hose, slide the clamp up here, and tighten her down. Go ahead and top the system off. Once it is full, you go ahead and start the vehicle, turn the wheels left and right, and top it off again just to make sure that all the air is purged out. Then replace the cap. And that's all there is to changing or flushing your power steering fluid. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.